I got asked this question. I have photos in my Android phone, and they're also in Google Photos. And the person said all they're getting when they try to download a photo or photos from Google Photos, all they're getting is a link. Let me show you how I download photos from Google Photos. So I'm in photos.google.com, and if I go click on an image, yeah, right there's the link button, share button. But over here under the three dots is the download button. So on my Google Photos on desktop, whether it's a PC or a Mac, again, I can go to an individual photo, hit the three dots, and there's the download option. Furthermore, if I select a bunch of images, let me go back here and select, click on select a bunch of images, however many I want. There's the icon for sharing to get the URL, but over here on the three dots, click on that, and there's download. And when I hit download, it's going to download them. I think my Google Chrome's up. It's going to ask me for where. Here it is. It's going to download them as a zip file. I'm going to put them in downloads and hit save. And then they'll eventually download, and they have. I can go to the folder that has them. Open that folder up. There they are in the zip file. I can double click on the zip file. It's going to create a folder called Photos 01, and there are those 5 images that I downloaded. That's a weird looking image. Bottom line, again, from Google Photos, click on an image. When you select the image, hit the 3 dots. If you select multiple images, it still hit the 3 dots. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.